Hello children, welcome to Melu classroom. How are you all doing today? Wow, wonderful. It's a bright sunny day, isn't it? You all should be ready to the class. Come on, show me thumbs up with a big smile. Very good. So, shall we start our rhyme? Are you all ready? Come on. Today is a good morning song sung by all the beautiful animals, birds and insects. Are you ready? Come on. Beautiful butterfly says, good morning, good morning. Beautiful butterfly says, good morning, good morning. And the naughty rabbit say, by hopping, good morning, good morning, good morning. And jumping kangaroo says, jump like a kangaroo and say good morning. And the swimming fish says, good morning, and be active like me. Good morning, and be active like me. And the roaring tiger says, good morning, and be aware of me. The roaring tiger says, good morning, and be aware with me. So children, why so many animals came to say good morning? Yes, they all say good morning because today they are all coming to our class. We are going to learn about animals, birds and insects. You know all the animals, children? Come on, tell me what the animals you know. Good dog, yes. As the dogs are around us and even we have the dogs at home. The dogs, yes, cat, meow, meow. Yes, cats. And then, yes, dogs, cats, cow, pig, horse. Yes, these are all animals. Children, the animals are of different types. You know? Yes, some are called pet animals. What are some are called? Some are called pet animals. Some are called farm animals. Some are called wild animals. Okay, good. So, now tell me what are these pet animals? Yes, pet animals are animals which we tame at our home. We pamper them, we give food for them like cat. Yes, like cat, dog. These are all pet animals. And farm animals means, yes, the animals which give us food. Cow, buffalo, yes, sheep, goat, these all give us milk. Yes, these are the farm animals. Farm animals are cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, horse. These are all farm animals which help us in the getting the food. And horse is an animal which move us from here to there. We can ride on the horse. It is a fast animal. We can go to a horse ride. Yes, these are the animals. And tell me, how many legs do we have? 4? No. Yes, we have 2 legs. And animals, come on. Yes, animals have got 4 legs. Yes, animals have got 4 legs. And animal helps us a lot. Dog will guard our houses. And cat make us love and fun. And what else are there? The cow gives us milk. The horse move us from here to there. These are all the animals. And next comes coo, coo. What is it? And cuckoo. Yes, these are the birds. Birds fly in the air. Birds fly in the air. they have got a sharp beak and different varieties of beaks, and they lay eggs. Birds lay eggs. And what is the? Yes, birds stay in the nest. Very good. Tell me some of the birds what you know. Good. Yes. Crow, sparrow, parrot. Yeah, dove. Yes, you are very smart. Oh, yes, it's a peacock. Good. Peacock is also a bird with a beautiful flowers, and it is our national animal. Yes, birds fly in the air and they have got sharp beak and different shapes of beaks, and they have got 2 legs. They stay in the nest. And children, when we go around or when we are at home, something bites. Yes, what is that? Mosquito. Yes, mosquito. Mosquito is an insect. Mosquito. And these are all the insects. Butterfly. Yes, even some insects fly in the air and they have got 6 legs. How many legs? 6. Animals, birds and insects are the beautiful creatures around us. Okay, now let's see some of them. Wow! Come on, what is this? It's a little sparrow. What is this bird? As I told you, the bird has beak. Yes, it's a little sparrow. Dove. What is this? Dove. Owl. Yes, this is owl. Eagle. These are all birds. What is this? Peacock, which is our national bird. And it's a, what is this? Woodpecker. What the woodpecker will do? It will bite the wood and the bark of the tree and make a small burrow and stays in it. So, see here also the woodpecker has got the sharp beak. So, these are all birds. What the birds we have seen? Sparrow, dove, owl, eagle, peacock, woodpecker. So, as I told you, there are insects. See, butterfly, spider, beetle. These are all insects. And count here how many legs they have got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with 2 antennas. Yes. So, these are all birds and insects, and you all know the animals: dog, cat, cow, buffalo, horse. These are all animals. So, they are all beautiful creatures and each one of them help us a lot. Wow, this is our wonderful activity. Are you all ready to do it? Come on, take out your course book and pencil. We will search for the animals which are hidden in the word. So, children, what are these? These are some of the names of the animals: cow, donkey, duck, goat, goose, hen, horse, pig, sheep. You know, these all animals are hidden here. Shall we search for them? First, what is it? Cow. What is it? Cow. C-O-W, cow. Search in the first row. No. Search in the second row. No. Search in the third row. No. Children, even we can go like this also. Here, no. Here, yes. Come on, you also search. C-O-W. Yes. Cow. Yes, I got it. And next comes, yes, donkey. Come on, search, search. This row, no. This row, no. Here, Next comes, yes, donkey. And what else are there? Duck. Where is this duck? What the sound of the duck? Quack, quack. Yes, duck. I found it very fast. So children, please search for other animals in our word list. Okay? Good. So today what we learn? We learned about animals, birds and insects. They are the beautiful creatures by God. And tell me, the animals or pet animals and domestic animals, that are farm animals. These pet animals, we tame them at home, and farm animals helps us to give food and make us to move from one place to other, like cow, sheep, goat. These are all the farm animals. And dog, cat, these are all, yes, pet animals. And birds. Birds can fly in the air and they have got sharp and flat on different shapes of beaks, and they live in the nest. Next comes insects, houseflies, butterflies, honeybees, beetle. These are all come under insects. Okay children, you see around your house and whenever you go out and see and enjoy the animals around us. Okay? Good. Okay children, bye bye. See you in the next class.